We're at Suburban Houston Park in Katy, Texas. We're enjoying studying a bald cypress. This is the straight species, the Taxodium distichum, is how I pronounce it. I'm happy to be corrected. There's also a variety by the name of Montezuma, which is nearly an evergreen, and the foliage is longer, has a little bit of a different texture, and the growth habit is a little different. But this is the straight species of the bald cypress, which is planted in this park condition, and it's seen in the wild extensively throughout Texas, or in natural or naturalistic or restoration plantings. It's a deciduous conifer, which is unusual or not that common. The fall color ranges from practically a bright orangish red to golds and even yellow. But it's more or less a rust color is the dominant fall color. And here in the Gulf, near the Gulf Coast, with this soil condition and climate, it gets quite wide. It's not a very tall, narrow tree in and around the Houston area. Where when you get over to San Antonio and Austin, it is quite tall. It'd be like an eastern white pine. Very large trunk, wider. I think there might be a pest of some type here. Or an insect, might not be maybe a benign insect. And the trunk flare is what it's particularly known for. In a very wet condition, it'll develop knees, which will be, it's maybe starting to do that here. And that's like the beginning of one where the roots protrude up. And it's, the research estimates that maybe for stability, not actually to breathe, which was the original thought, but for stability in a wet soil condition.